Uniquely designed, the Catalyst DX Analyzer tests urine in even whole blood in addition to serum and plasma. You can even test a patient's urine protein-creatinine ratio at the same time you perform their comprehensive blood chemistry panel. And the Catalyst DX Analyzer utilizes small sample volumes. To run a plasma or serum sample, collect the whole blood using standard collection methods. Transfer to the appropriate tube, clot if necessary, and centrifuge to separate the sample. Use a pipette to transfer the required volume to a sample cup and process it immediately. Whole blood does not need to be separated. Just collect it following your existing sample collection protocol and transfer the required volume to the whole blood separator. The Catalyst DX Analyzer automatically separates the plasma using its onboard centrifuge and dispenses it on the slides. No user intervention is required. Insert the sample cup or whole blood separator into